Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set notification on ClickUp to Slack based on specific activity options. Whether you only want to be notified when you're mentioned, when a task is assigned to you, or when a status changes, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know to avoid unnecessary alerts and keep your Slack workspace clean and focused. Ready to customize your workflow the smart way? Let's get started. First, open your ClickUp account and head over to the App Center. From there, find Slack and click on Configure. Make sure you're logged into the correct Slack workspace so your notifications are sent to the right place. Next, click on Manage Settings to open the Slack notification preferences. Here, you'll see different sections like Task Comments, Task Activity, and Doc Comments, each with toggle options you can turn on or off depending on what you want to receive in Slack. Under Task Comments, you can choose to receive notifications only when you're mentioned in comments, while keeping general comment assignments turned off. This helps ensure you're notified only when someone directly needs your attention. In the Task Activity section, you can enable notifications for status changes, tasks assigned to you, and descriptions where you're mentioned, while disabling checklist item assignments if they're not important for your workflow. This setup keeps your alerts relevant without overwhelming you. Moving on to Doc Comments, you can turn on notifications for comments and pages where you're mentioned, while keeping general comment assignments disabled. This way, you stay informed about important document updates without getting notified for every small edit. Before saving, take a moment to review your selections and make sure they align with how you work. Choosing only mention-based and assignment-related notifications is a great way to stay productive without constant interruptions. Once everything looks good, click Save. Your Slack notifications are now customized. From now on, you'll only receive alerts that truly matter, helping you stay focused, responsive, and organized. It's always a good idea to test this setup by updating a task status or mentioning yourself in a comment to confirm the notifications are working as expected. This quick check ensures your Slack alerts are helpful, not distracting. And that's it. By following these steps, you can fine-tune ClickUp Slack notifications to match your exact workflow needs. Thanks for watching this Delph Stack tutorial video, and I hope it helped you take better control of your notifications. If you found this useful, don't forget to share it with your team. Smart notification settings can make everyone's workday easier.